Hello students.
Hello teacher.
Okay. John, what's this?
Tree.
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 What color is the tree?
It's a green. Right.
John is telling me
It's a green.
yeah. It's
It's
green
a green.
and
No.
brown.
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 Yes, good job. Do you have trees at home? Yes?
I do.
Yes, I do. Okay. How many trees do you have at home?
One.
I have one tree.
I have one tree.
Okay, Ben. What are these?
It's an egg.
They are eggs.
Yeah.
There are how many eggs?
Three.
Yeah, there are 3 eggs. So they are eggs.
They are egg.
Eggs.
Egg.
Yes, good job. Do you like eggs?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Ngồi đây mà.
Viv, what's this?
No.
It's
Nghe một cái gì?
tail.
Tail.
It's a tail.
It's a tail.
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 What color is the tail? Blue. It's blue.
Blue.
Yes, good job. How many tails do a bird have? How many tails?
One.
It has 1 tail.
One tail.
Yes, good job. What are these? Legs.
Legs.
They are legs.
They are legs.
How many legs?
Two legs.
There are 2 legs.
Two legs.
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 Leg.
Legs.
Leg.
Legs.
Leg. Leg. Leg.
Legs.
Okay.
It's a song.
Song, yes. Do you like songs?
Yes, I do.
Okay. What are these?
Cat.
Cats.
Cat.
They are cats. They are cats.
They are cat.
Do you have cats at home? Do you have cats at home?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. Okay, great. What is this?
Bird.
Bird. Do you like birds?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you like birds. Okay, Ben. Can you read this?
I
Live
live in a
tree
tree.
or
Or
water.
water.
Good job. Live
My
babies.
baby
Come
come
from
from
small
small
eggs.
eggs.
Okay, great.
And
I
I
have
have
got
got a
yes tail
tail.
at no the BB at the end.
And of
Yes,
my
yes. Body.
body.
Yes, good job. I
can
walk
walk on my two
legs.
legs.
Okay, great.
I
Sing
sing
beautiful
beautiful
songs.
song.
Again,
I
sing
sing
Beautiful.
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 Song.
Song.
Okay.
Sun.
Some.
Sun. Cat.
Touch.
Cat. Cat me.
Touch me.
Cat me.
Okay, great. What?
What?
Am
And
I?
I
Am
am
a
a
bird.
bird.
Okay.
Bye bye. Goodbye, teacher.